Again, I'm here with Cha, no? So here, it's about today is about May 6, no? This is our fourth treatment session. So dako kay improvement si Cha, eh. So Cha, kumot ko na Cha, i-close ko na ang kamot Cha, no? So here. No, again. No? So ato stretch, kamay lang. Start now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Okay, Cha, open. So here, no, again, so Cha, no, so nindot ki siya, at here ni gamay na po ang iyahang, ano, middle finger. So then ang pikas po dahil kabi, so appeal naman rin so for treatment session, appeal na po, no. So here, no, again, nabaw kita siya, atong experience siya, why is it na yun nani, again, so ni gamay na git siya, and then because why is it to, because of the cardio, no, yeah, ato i-prevent kanina mo balik, no, stretching to siya karon